It was a cold February evening in Germany, 1945. The Second World War was coming to an end in Europe, but peace still elusive. Amid the ruins of war, a group of students gathered at the University of Munich. They came together with a vision to spread the message of peace, understanding, and cooperation among nations. That gathering on February 23 led to the formation of the World Understanding and Peace Day, now celebrated every year on that date. The early proponents of World Understanding and Peace Day believed that sustainable peace can only be achieved through global friendship, empathy, and compassion. Borders and boundaries that separate nations can only be transcended when there is mutual understanding and goodwill. This spirit of shared humanity and oneness guided the establishment of World Understanding and Peace Day. Today, World Understanding and Peace Day is celebrated in over 150 countries, reminding us of the importance of global harmony and coexistence. In an era where technology has brought us together yet ideological and cultural differences threaten to pull us apart, this day highlights the need to build bridges through openness, communication, and shared experiences of humanity. Understanding someone who is different from us in race, religion, ethnicity, or nationality is the first step towards accepting them and finding common ground. People mark World Understanding and Peace Day in many different ways. Student organizations hold discussions on cultural diversity and resolving conflicts. Interfaith groups organize events highlighting shared values across spiritual traditions. Governments and NGOs promote programs of education, literacy, and empowerment. Individuals do their bit through small acts of kindness, empathy, and compassion in their local communities. While there are many challenges to global peace, World Understanding and Peace Day reminds us that we can all contribute through amity, empathy, and goodwill. Together, through open and sincere dialogue, we can achieve the vision of those students in post-war Germany, a shared spirit of humanity, and a more just, sustainable, and peaceful world for all. Spreading understanding is the easiest way to spreading peace. Here is our painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful World Understanding and Peace Day. Cheers!